Welcome back, students. On this video, I'm going to cover the steps that you need to complete for the Module 7 Exhibit 5 assignment. So I'm on the Unsplash website, and I'm going to download an image of the balloons. And one of the things for this I want to point out is when you go to download your image, when you select it, select the small option, which on this is going to be a 640 by 960. So on this assignment today, you're going to select two images, and one image you're going to blend into the other. It works so much easier if you either select two vertical images or two horizontal images whenever you go to add them in as layers and blend them. So I'm going to go ahead and select small, and then that's downloaded. One of the things I want to also point out is when you download the file, please write down the photographer's name, and so that way whenever you go to create your Weebly account, you'll have the photographer's name as the source of your image to list under your description. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the website that you're going to use. So in the past couple of modules for the people on the Chromebook, you've used Adobe Photoshop Express. Today we're going to use an online website called Plixlr. It's free. So Plixlr.com, I've got the link for it inside the Module 7 folder. Then you're going to use the E option, which gives you more options. So then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to open my background image. And my background image is going to be the balloons that I just downloaded. So I'm going to open that up. And then you'll notice that once it opens up in this program, the tools are very similar to what they are in Photoshop. Now I'm going to come over here to my layers. I'm going to click the plus. Then I'm going to come over here and click on image, and I'm going to open up a second image that I downloaded. And this is the image that I'm going to blend into these balloons. So here's my second image. So here's my background image. Here's the swirly image that I'm going to place on top of these balloons. Now, the tool that you're going to use for this is the blending tool. So if you click on those dots right next to the this beautiful colors layer, then one of the things you're going to see here is the blend mode. So click down on that drop down. This also has a large number of options, and the names are very similar to what they are in Photoshop. So I'm going to select overlay, and then this is going to overlay this layer on top of my balloons, which is my background layer. And then I can also decrease the transparency. So I'm going to decrease that slightly. So it almost takes more time to select your images and think about which blending option, because I really would recommend when you're doing this just to go through and use several of these and just to see which one works the best with the images that you've selected. And then when you're finished, you're just going to go over and file, and then you'll do save. And then on your image, you can go ahead and leave it set to a JPEG. The quality you can leave as high because it's only going to be, the file size is only going to be 92 kilobytes, so it's very small. And then select download. And then this is going to download to your Chromebook. And then I already have my Blackboard open, and so here is the information. Like I said, I have the link to the Plixlr website. Here's the Unsplash link, and then this is where you submit it for your excuse me, exhibit, Module 7, Exhibit 6. And then you're just going to browse to your files in your Chromebook. So here it is, my image. It was 92 kilobytes that we saw. There's the file, so I'm going to go ahead and just select open. And then I've got it attached, and I'll submit it. And then this is what you'll use on your Weebly account. So just to make sure you keep your original images, and then you'll also have your image that you've submitted for your exhibit. So in this case, I'd also want to go back up and attach the 2 images that I used to create this. And here's my when I overlaid, and then you're just gonna select submit, and then you can add any description that you want to, either as a Word document, or you can come down here under the comments and give me a description of how you created that exhibit. So I hope you have fun with it. This is just a really nice free photo editor that's online. Just another tool I thought would be handy to use for the students with using the Chromebook. So I hope you have fun creating this assignment.